Welcome to this explainer. If you are gearing up for your very first job hunt, wow, I know exactly how overwhelming it can feel. Starting completely from scratch, trying to translate who you are into, professional speak, it is definitely daunting. But hey, take a deep breath because you are in exactly the right place.
Never had a job before. You're probably staring at a blank screen right now, wondering what on earth you could possibly offer an employer. Listen, that is completely normal. We have all been there. But here's the absolute game changer. You aren't doing this alone. We're going to use artificial intelligence today. Not as some crazy complex tech tool, but as your own private co-pilot to help launch your career with total confidence.
So, here is our roadmap. We're to breeze through starting your first job hunt, building a genuine CV, keeping cover letters real, research and interview practice, the golden rules of AI, and finally taking the next step. Let's dive right in. Section 1, starting your first job hunt. Okay, here is a beautifully simple truth to kick things off. You already have the skills. I know you might be sitting there thinking, but wait, I've never actually been paid for a job. Honestly, that doesn't matter. Think about it. Those group school projects you organized, the weekends you spent volunteering in your community, the sports teams you helped lead, or hey, even those complex online gaming communities you manage. Those are absolutely real, highly translatable skills. You already possess the raw material. Our only job today is just to shape it. Section 2, building a genuine CV. So, how do we extract those professional-sounding skills from your everyday life? It's really just a two-step process. Step 1, list your activities. Literally just brain dump everything you do in a typical week. Then, step 2, ask AI to identify the skills. You can hop into your AI and type, hey, I organize a weekly gaming tournament for 20 people, and I handle all the scheduling. What professional skills does this show? And boom, the AI will instantly return terminology like event coordination, conflict resolution, and time management. Suddenly, your weekend hobby is a legitimate resume-ready professional asset. How cool is that? Now, the absolutely crucial thing to remember here is what a co-pilot actually is. It's a brainstorming buddy that helps you showcase your true self. It is not a magic machine that does all the work for you. It's there to empower your unique voice, to help you find the right vocabulary. It's not there to invent a fictional, fake version of you. Think of it as your highly articulate, incredibly patient brainstorming buddy. Section 3, keeping cover letters real. Right, so this perfectly illustrates what we need to watch out for. There's a massive difference between an overly robotic, jargon-heavy AI output, which, let's be honest, usually sounds like a computer trying its hardest to mimic a corporate executive, and a simple, warm, human-edited version. AI provides the immense relief of just getting that intimidating first draft out on the page, but applying your own human touch, that is absolutely necessary to make it genuine and actually conversational. Because ultimately, the final polish must be human. While AI is fantastic at curing your writer's block, your authentic personality is the actual thing that wins over the employer. So here's a pro tip. Read everything out loud. If it doesn't sound like something you would actually say to your respected teacher or mentor, change it. Make it yours. Section 4, research and interview practice. All right, before you ever step foot into an interview room, you absolutely need to know who you're talking to. But instead of spending hours digging through dense, boring corporate websites, just use AI to summarize the employer's mission, outline their recent projects, and understand their core values. This gives you a clear, one-page summary that allows you to walk into that interview incredibly prepared and culturally aligned. It's a total time saver. And when you're actually ready to practice, try typing this exact prompt. Act as a hiring manager and ask me 3 beginner interview questions. It is brilliant. This creates a completely private, low-pressure environment. You can literally just answer out loud in your bedroom, ask the AI for feedback on your answers, and repeat it as many times as you need. It completely takes the fear and the jitters out of the whole process. Section 5, the golden rules of AI. Now, this right here builds a critical framework for your digital safety. There are things that are completely safe to share, like public job descriptions, general essay topics, stuff like that. But there is a strict never share list. Listen carefully. Never, ever share personal details, passwords, private information, your home address, or ID numbers. You have to protect your privacy first. Once sensitive information goes into a public AI tool, you essentially lose control over it. So keep it safe. And that brings us to the ultimate golden rule. Always check and edit AI outputs before sending them off. AI is brilliant, for sure, but it is not perfect. It can hallucinate or completely misunderstand the context. The final responsibility for accuracy and authenticity, that always lies with you. It is your reputation on the line, so verify every single word. Section 6. Taking the next step. This explainer is proudly presented by LELAIL, helping people feel heard, think clearly, and take the next step. Entering the workforce is a major life transition, and hey, it is perfectly okay to seek support. The listening room is always there when you just need someone to listen first. I want to conclude our time together today with a final question for you. You have the tools, you have the roadmap, and most importantly, you have your own incredibly unique experiences. So, what will your first application be? I really hope this explainer has sparked your curiosity and motivated you to open up a new document, say hello to your AI co-pilot, and officially launch your job hunt right now. You've got this. Thanks for hanging out with me.